Today I wanted to share with you guys my grocery haul feeding a family of 10. I just got back from Costco, so I thought I would share with you some of my favorite things I like to buy at Costco. These are items that are really good for dinners, lunches, snacks, things that we love to eat. I go to Costco about every other week. I also shop at other grocery stores. I'm very mindful of sales. I'm on a budget with feeding such a big family, so I'm always looking for good sales but good food. I wanted to show you what we get. I go to Costco every other week, so all of this is gonna last me 2 weeks, and I spent $524 today, so let me show you what I get. Okay, so first up, I'm going to share with you all the meats that we get at Costco. These are meats that are going to be my meals for the next 2 weeks. I love to get their big pack of chicken thighs. This is about 6 pounds. I think each one is about a pound. So these are really great for making chicken over rice, chicken enchiladas. I will do like a chicken tortilla soup, anything involving chicken, we love it. And this is a great protein. It's also a less expensive protein than beef, so I usually do more with chicken than I do with beef. We also get the ground beef. The ground beef is so great for tacos, soups, and spaghetti. I make a shepherd's pie, which is super good. I'm hoping to post that recipe. Speaking of shepherd's pie, I do get the huge bag of gold potatoes. We use these all the time. I really love them. No, they're not organic, but I usually try to get organic. And I know they're on the naughty list, but we do what we can. I like to get their stew meat because we make stew. I'll do like a stew soup, like a soup stew. Stew, that's all. I like to do a stew. I also like to make Cornish pasties, and this is a really good deal, and we just use half. So one of these will do a meal for us, and then the other half will do for another. With all of this meat, this should give us 2 meals. And so yeah, another protein, which is the meatballs. These meatballs are so good. We love using them for spaghetti, just spaghetti meatballs. If I homemade a lot of our food, but there are foods that I like to have easy, because sometimes there's things that come up in my day and it might be getting close to the dinner hour, but I don't want to eat out. That's the stuff that just like totally ruins our budget, is eating out, especially for so many people. But if I have like a doctor's appointment and I'm gonna be home later, being able to have these meatballs is a game changer. They're really yummy. I use them for spaghetti, which I will buy pasta sauce. I do love a homemade sauce, but again, when I need something quick and I know that when I go home I have the meatballs, the sauce, the spaghetti, I love this option. But I will add like extra seasonings to it. I like to add a dash of cream and make it a little bit more creamy. I got their shredded Tillamook cheese. I like it shredded because we can get tacos, we can use it in a sandwich. Like in a grilled cheese sandwich, I feel like we use the shredded cheese more than I use the sliced cheese. And this is really yummy. So we like this. Another protein, this is a great snack. This is really good for lunches, is the bear chicken. We put it in our air fryer. And I like to put it in a warmed up tortilla, roll it up with some barbecue sauce and a little bit of cheese, and you have a barbecue chicken wrap. It's super good, or it's just good on its own, but we use these a lot, so I always get 2 bags. 2 bags for our family for 2 weeks, so that's like a bag a week. Okay, the next thing is eggs. We go through a lot of eggs. I get the 5 dozen pack. I buy 2 of them because it will last us for 2 weeks. I know that's a crazy amount of eggs, but there's 10 of us and we eat a lot of eggs. And I do a lot of baking. We also love our cream. So we get the Dairy Gold cream, and I get 2 because it's about 1 per week. Their oranges right now are $7.99, which is a good deal because you get a lot, but we'll probably go through both bags in a week because we've been loving oranges lately. The thing we love to get is their yogurt. yogurt, just like plain sour yogurt. We will put our own fruit on this and maple syrup, and it is a great option for a snack, protein after a workout. The kids love this after school. Broccoli. Probably right now my kids are on a broccoli kick, so I bought them this. We've not ever tried this one before, but I'm gonna see if I add this to some of our meals, if they will eat it up, because I did buy something recently that had broccoli in it, and they just went crazy because we rarely eat vegetables. And the reason why is because we eat a lot of protein. What is it? Absence makes the heart grow fonder, because they absolutely loved it. Love having their pesto on hand. This is really great for adding to pasta sauces or just tossing some pasta in it, some ravioli. Another thing I love to do is make pesto eggs, fried eggs, which I'll have to do a video on that. They're really, really good. Okay, so I've been doing smoothies with my milk keeper lately, so I picked up some frozen blueberries and strawberries. We love frozen fruit. That's a great one. Okay, the next thing I want. So embarrassing anyway. Oh, this is a good one too. Okay. Jack loves this, and so do I. These are really great for steak sandwiches. If you want to just throw it on some bread with some barbecue sauce, that's all you need. It's quick, it's protein, it's really good. Then you're not eating out, you're grabbing food right from home. I have to be fast because everybody's coming home right now and it's getting really loud. Okay, bacon. I get 2 packs, one lasts us per week. And I really like this kind. This brand has been really good, super tasty. We have eggs and bacon like every morning, so this is a great option. Peanut butter and jelly sandwiches are a great option in our home because it's inexpensive and the kids really love it. So we get their Kirkland organic raspberry spread, and also got their brie, but we get their peanut butter without all of the other junks in it. We do the best we can. We're probably 80-20, and that's okay. I feel good about that. I've never done one of these videos, so I really don't know what I'm doing. But Kalamata olives are so good. My kids love olives. They love anything sour. They love spicy. They love anything pickled. So this is really yummy. I don't think this is at everybody's Costco, but I was really, really excited to see it because it's unbleached. We don't want bleach in our flour, not good. This is what I've been using to bake with, but Lehigh Mills is a mill that's near us. So I was really excited when I saw this flour because it's local. I'm trusting it's made with all the good things, but then again, I just have to like choose to live happy and it'll be okay. Okay, I'm also going to show you this back room. This is our back storage room, and I figured since I'm showing you my grocery holiday that I will show you where we put it away. Because this is an old house, we have to be kind of resourceful with where we put all of our stuff. This room was so disgusting. I redid it earlier this year, so for 5 years we lived with it. Absolutely disgusting. Like, the walls were brown. If you go on my Instagram, you can find a before and after, but so I don't have one right now, but maybe just right now, I can do a picture over the top of this video and show you how gross it was. But I redid it, redid the floor. There was a disgusting old fridge back here and a gross old freezer. So what we did is we got a new freezer, new fridge. So we actually have 2 freezers, 2 fridges for our home. It's like all the backup food. And then whatever food we're using, we put it in our main fridge in our kitchen. So I will show you a little bit of this space. I also wanted to show you guys, I love this freezer. Don't mind the, guys, teenagers, why do they punch things? Like, I have a teenager who does that. Okay, But I have to show you this freezer. It's the best. It has the pull-out drawers and it just keeps everything organized. So, like, I will store our meats in here, bread that I buy, and I also make bread. I make a lot of sourdough goodies. So always keep that in mind when I'm sharing groceries too. I'm still baking and making a lot of good food. Okay, but that's the freezer. So that is my Costco haul. I hope that this helps you and gives you some ideas of like how to feed your family. I know the economy is kind of crazy and the inflation of food. These are really good affordable options for us, and I feel like they stretch a long way, and there's always something to eat, whether it's chicken out of the freezer, meatballs, or whatever. Oh, we bought these too. I forgot to trade. Well, these seemed like we needed them. They are like Belgian mini cream puffs. And they were on sale, and I was like, okay, yeah, we need them. We need these. We need them, and we want them. We need them. Anyway, I hope this helps you guys, and I will be back with more videos, and I hope you guys have a great day.